Today I will teach you how to make popsicles without molds. Make these popsicles for children. They are easy to make and very delicious. For today's recipe we will need 9 units of cookies, but you can use as much as you want. Each unit contains 4 cookies, and with the help of a scissors I will cut the top of the package, this way as I am doing. And then I will add the cookies in a container, and the packaging I will save for later. Now I'm going to crush the cookies. You can use a glass container, or as in my case something plastic. Guys, these moldless palettes that we are making are very easy to make and look very tasty. I am sure everyone will like the result. Then, I will fill all the packaging I had reserved with the cookies already crushed, in this way as I am doing, with the help of a spoon. Then, I will place all the filled packaging in a plastic container and save it for later. In a bowl, I will add 300 milliliters of milk. I will also add 240 grams of condensed milk, 400 grams of cream, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and I will mix everything very well. At this moment I would like to know from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Sharon Pierre from Brooklyn, also for Wendy Mlava from South Africa, and Nanita Sarabia from Philippines. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Next, I'll add all the mixture to a measuring cup, to make it easier for me to fill the packaging. Now let's simply fill the cookie packages with this mixture. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I love ice cream, to send you a very special greeting. Already filled, I will put popsicle stick in each one, and take it to the fridge for at least 2 hours, or until it is completely hard. After 2 hours in the fridge, it only remains to unmold our ice cream, as follows as I am doing. Although here I have a container with melted chocolate, to which I am going to add 3 tablespoons of peanuts, and I am going to mix a little, then I will pass the ice cream through the melted chocolate, but this step is optional. And already our popsicles without molds are ready. Look how rich they have been, and passed through chocolate they taste great. But I would like you to rate this recipe, from 0 to 10, to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Cheunoe, and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.